Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I make miso ramen. Rich and savory miso ramen is the easiest dish to make at home. This is a dish that can be prepared in 20 minutes or less. Finally, I'll introduce the beautiful scenery of Japan, so please watch until the end. I would think this video is good. I would appreciate to push like, subscribe and bell mark. So let's get started. Introduce ingredients: 60g carrot, 40g green onion, 15g Chinese leek, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 eggs, 100g bean sprout, 200g minced pork, 250g ramen noodles, 4 to 6 chashu pork, 4g dashi bonito, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 15g miso. It is the best used miso with a strong flavor for miso ramen. 1 tablespoon of mirin. There are many ingredients, but I will make a best miso ramen with this. So let's get started. First, make a boiled eggs. Warm the water. Can make hard-boiled eggs that are easy to peel by piercing the top and bottom of egg. But be careful not to break it. It's okay if you don't force yourself to do it. Gently put in the hot water. Cover and boil for 1 minute. Then turn off the heat and wait for 10 minutes. In the meantime, cut the vegetables. Cut the carrot lengthwise 2mm width, and cut it lengthwise 2mm width. Carrots can curl better. Then cut the Chinese leek 5cm width. Adjust the length so that it is 5cm. Slice vertically and remove the inside. The contents are used as the ingredients. Spread the outer part and stack it on top of each other. Then cut it vertically into the small pieces. It will be topped at the end. The green onion is pungent, so soak it in the water until use it. Cut the inner part of the green onion into the round slice. And chop the garlic, cut into the small pieces. It is okay to rub. And the presence of the garlic alone enhances the flavor. And when I was cutting vegetables, it's time for boiled eggs. Leave on for 10 minutes, then rinse immediately with cold water. By doing this recipe, you can make soft boiled eggs. Peel and cut lengthwise before using. Let's make the soup. Add sesame oil and add chopped garlic and fry on low heat. Transfer the flavor of garlic to oil. When the garlic turns slightly brown, add the minced pork and fry well. By frying well, the flavor of the pork comes out and it becomes a decisive factor of the soup. Add 600 ml of water and boil on medium heat. And add flavor. Add mirin. Add oyster sauce. Dashi bonito. And then bubble appeared, add carrot, Chinese leek, and miso. If you use high heat, the scent of miso will disappear, so reduce the heat to low. And add green onion in and bean sprouts. If you want to eat the crunchy bean sprout, add them at the end. And when bubble appears, turn off the heat and I'll boil the noodle. When boiling the noodles, use a large container with plenty of water. When the bubble appears, add the ramen noodles, boiled for indicated time. Drain the water after boiling. Please drain the water well. If you don't drain the water well, the taste will be diluted. Let's use it Mount Fujibo! Then let's serving. Put noodles and ingredients in the bowl. Add the soup. And serve the boiled egg and chashu. Add well-drained green onion to the center. If you want to add spiciness, and chili oil to your liking. Finish!
So let's いただきます。
Try the soup first. Miso umami and savory taste are the best. Shall we eat noodle then? There is no other ramen that is so delicious and easy to make. Amazing! Let's try it! From here, I introduce the beautiful scenery of Japan. This is Hida Great Limestone Cave in Nagano. There are many limestone caves in Japan, but this is one that I recommended. I'm impressed to see the mystery of nature created over 250 million years. This is a total length of about 800 meters and plenty of highlights. The average temperature inside the cave is about 12 degrees all year around. Please try this mysterious experience! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. See you next time.